to Sumaya English Primary School. Class 6th, and the subject is English, and the chapter is 3.3, and the name of the chapter is Stone Soup. Now here is a small story we will see related to some neighbors is there. Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai, Rupabai, these are the neighbors with the traveler. Means one traveler was there who entered in their village. Related to that things we will see the chapter now. The name of the chapter was the Stone Soup. At the end of the chapter you can understand what do you mean by the stone soup, why it has been said. See, this is some small pictures it has been shown. These are the neighbors and this person was the traveler who is making the soup. Now there was a small village, and in that villages there was a small cottages, and nearby that cottages each and everyone was standing nearby their house. Though that people was Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai and Rupabai. It was the evening time. They were chatting outside the Motiram's house. All of them were standing outside and they were chatting with the Motiram's house. First the Motiram have told, your farm has produce was really good this year. Then afterwards Sonabai told, and yours, what about yours also? She also asked to the Motiram, and Motiram told, I don't want to advertise it. Means he was not interested to tell anything about the farm. So now everyone was chatting with each other. At that time they have saw that traveler was entering from the corner in the villages. At that time everyone have seen. Then Hirabai told, you are correct, guest can be a nuisance. Then Sonabai told, I agree, especially uninvited guest. Means they were not interested to invite the guest, those we have not invited. So that means they were irritating by seeing the traveler who was entering in the villages. Then afterwards Motiram told, uninvited guests are pest. Means traveler becomes now, after listening everything from the far away, the traveler was become very nervous and he does not came forward to that people. Then Hirabai told, I never waste this types of good food for this types of traveler and money also. And Rupabai told, yes, you are saying correct. She was also thinking that the same things. Now then afterwards what happens? Now Hirabai told, just find some polite excuses. Now afterwards they were discussing about the excuses, how we have to tell to the traveler and how they will give the excuses. Now Sonabai told, yes, you are correct. I always cook up some excuses only. Now I will also give some excuses for the traveler. Motiram also told the same things. Now everyone have chatting was finished. Then afterwards they went their home. Anyway, I must attend to my work now. See you, Motiram told it. Now all the neighbors, what happens? They have told that each and everyone, they have told to each other that we will see you later. Now they entered their homes. Now the traveler came forward. When the traveler saw, all the neighbors went into their home. Now the traveler have done, what a hard luck, I am poor, food sold traveler, and I am so hungry. He was thinking that I am so unlucky and no one was interested to talk with me, and I am very poor also, and I am feeling very hungry also. This bunch of villagers are looking very tough. He was thinking in their mind that no one will offer me the food or the rest for the night time. So now the traveler went to the, first he went to the Motiram's door. Now he knocked the door to the Motiram. Now Motiram opens the door. Now he told, yes, who are you and what do you want? Motiram asked to the traveler. Traveler told, I am very hungry and I am very tired also. So please give me some food and a place to rest for the night. But Motiram told, my dinner is over. There is nothing to give you. So leave from here. Then afterwards he shut the door. Now traveler again went from there. Now he tried to knock the next door. That next door was the Sonabai's door. Now he knocked. Now Sonabai came outside. Now that she also wished properly. Good evening, she told, and he also replied. And he told that I am a traveler, and the same things he has asked to the Sonabai also, that I want some food and rest place for the night. Now Sonabai told, putting her hand behind her ear, what did you say? She was acting like that she can't hear it anything. That Sonabai was saying this type of things to the traveler, and traveler was also very smart. He understood that she is not trying to give any food or any rest place for me for the night. So Sonabai was giving the reply. The traveler was asking about the food, but the Sonabai was acting like she was hearing like a wood. Why there is a plenty in the forest? Find a fallen tree and chop all the wood that you need. She was listening like he has told as a word wood. So she told, so many wood is there in the forest. You can go there and fall on the tree and you can chop many woods from there. So why did you came here? Again the traveler told, no, I am not talking about wood. I am talking about the food. So I am very hungry. So please give me some food. Sonabai again she agreed, has a word wood only. Now the traveler understood she has a very clever excuses, so that's why she is again and again pretending like a hearing word wood. Now again what happened? He left from that Sonabai's door. Now again he went to the next door, that was the Hirabai's door. Now anyone at home, any food for a hungry traveler? Here traveler was asking from outside. Hirabai came outside, and she also wished it. Good evening, and I wonder if I could get something to eat and a place to rest for the night. Now here also Hirabai was not interested to help the traveler. Now she was acting like she was speaking in another languages. That means it was the reverse word of the exact meaning. Now here we can see the sentences. Go away, it has been written, but in the reverse it she has told it. That means the total the languages which was not understood by the traveler. Again the traveler have told that I don't understand you. Now she told everything. Hirabai was telling, good, I do not want you to go anywhere else. So goes back inside, leaving the traveler behaved. Again here also she shut down the door and she went inside. Here also the traveler came outside. Now now traveler was thinking it is a very trick, because she was talking in a different languages that I can't understand. Now here also the traveler became very upset. Now he went to the last door, that was the Rupabai's door. Now he knocked and she came out. Rupabai now came out. Now she asked, who are you, young man? I have not seen you around. This type of sentences she has used to the traveler. Now the traveler told, I am a traveler and I want some food and some little bit corner place to rest for the night. Rupabai thinks. She was thinking silently, and she told, my ladder is empty. I am so hungry myself, but I have nothing left in the house. It means she was telling that in my house also there is nothing to eat, because I am also very hungry. I have not made anything because nothing is there in my house. The same things he was thinking, that I am also hungry, she was also hungry, both the people were hungry. Then traveler was thinking, I am also very sorry to hear that. Rupabai also told, I am also very sorry because I am also very hungry, but nothing is there in my house. Now Rupabai told, I can't help it, sorry. She also left from there. Now again the traveler was giving the sound to the Rupabai. Madam, please wait. If you are also hungry, and I can make us both some soup. That means that means the traveler was saying, you are also hungry, I am also hungry. That means for both of them we can make a soup. Now Rupabai was thinking, but I told you my ladders are empty. I can't offer you anything. She told again and again to the traveler that I don't have anything to make also in my house, so I can't offer you anything. Then the traveler told, No, I don't want anything big. I need only a cooking pot. Means one big pot he wants, a spoon and some water. Then traveler told, I have one magic stone in my bag. When it will boil in the water, it makes a very good delicious soup. So bring only one cooking pot, one spoon and some water. Rupabai was really very shocked by listening the sentences by the traveler. Magic stone? What is the magic stone? Really it can make a soup? Then traveler told, yes, it can be. She brought a pot of water and she brought one pot also, and she managed the spoon also. Then afterwards traveler, what he has done, he has just put a pot of water into the pot only in a big one. Then afterwards, Rupabai goes back to her cottage. Traveler also collects many woods and makes a fire in one corner. Then afterwards, one by one, all the neighbor was peeping from outside, from the doors and the windows. They were watching quietly what this traveler is doing. Now the Rupabai came out with a very big pot. Now she has brought a very big pot and one pot of water also. Everything the traveler has got. Now the traveler told, thank you very much for this. Now just wait and watch what is going to happen. Now they have puts the pot on the fire, then takes out a stone from his pocket and drops it into the pot. Traveler, what he has done, he has taken a stone from his pocket and he dropped it in the pot. Now Rupabai was seeing what a magic stone it is. Now we will get a very good delicious soup. I can hardly believe this. Sit down to watch. Traveler told, sit here only. Now we will watch it on what will happen. Now the traveler was very smart. Now he was enjoying the things at that time. Lovely, it is going to be really delicious. Now he was doing conversation with the Rupabai. Now what he has told traveler, if only we had one or two potatoes to add, it tastes heavenly with potatoes. Now he is told, if we will get one or two potatoes, the soup will be more delicious. We don't have any, but we don't have any things in our house, na? Then Rupabai was thinking, okay, one or two, I will bring it, I will arrange it, one or two potatoes. Then she went inside and she bring a few peeled potatoes. Here it is potatoes. Now traveler was very shocked by seeing the potatoes. Wonderful, traveler have told. Now this potatoes was also in the pot. Now they were stirring for some times and sniffing again and again. Now what happens afterwards? Again the traveler have told, if we will get carrots and tomatoes also, the color will be very good and it will be more delicious. The soup will be more delicious. But that would be too much to hope, na? That who has told? Traveler have told. That this tomatoes and the carrot is also not there in our home. So how we will get it? Again the Rupabai was thinking, I don't know. Sonabai comes out with some tomatoes. Now one by one neighboring has been came with their things. This Sonabai, every neighbors was listening the travelers conversation. Now Sonabai came outside from their cottage and she told, here is the some tomatoes, you can take the tomatoes. I have kept these tomatoes for tomorrow, but you can use it down, because you have told by using this tomatoes and the carrot the soup will be more delicious. Now this Sonabai has given the tomatoes and the carrots also, but I am not sure if she will share a few with us. Now the Hirabai also came, enters with the few carrots. Tomatoes has brought by the Sonabai. Now the Hirabai have brought the few carrots. I don't have plenty, but I have some carrots. You can take it down, because this carrot I have kept for the tomorrow. She also told the same thing. But never mind, if Sonabai can spare, if Sonabai can give the tomatoes, but why I can't give the carrot? So both of them were sharing the things to the traveler. For what? For looking the magic stone, making a magic soup. Now next the traveler was thinking, I am really speechless. You noble ladies, this is going to be very famous soup now. it reminds me of the soup. Now everything was added, the vegetables, everything was there, carrots, tomatoes, potatoes. Now I had added just a few beans, onions, and I think a little piece of ginger should also be there, because it gives a very good flavor. So those are the only little things missing now. But what we have to do now, it is also good enough. You can't always have the best. Now the traveler was saying the more things, the sentences was affected to that neighbors. Now the Motiram came outside. Now one by one the neighbors have coming outside from their cottages. Now the Motiram told, if you can have the best, then why are you missing this golden chance? You want the ginger, everything for the flavor. Now I will give it. Now the Motiram also offered the vegetables, whatever the traveler want. Now what happens? At last, how can I ever forget your generosity? Means whatever the travelers was faces with the neighbors. Afterwards what happened? The one by one the neighbors came and given everything. Now I could add a pinch of salt. Now he want a salt. For this it would be very perfect. Now Rupabai told, I will get some salt and balls for all of us. Now the soup was going to be ready. At last he want a salt. So Rupabai told, I am going to bring you some salt and the balls. Traveler told, thank you very much for the suggestion. Now exit Rupabai. Now the Rupabai went for things. Then all the neighbors was sitting nearby the traveler, and traveler was thanking every neighbors for the helpful, and it is an unforgettable experience also for the traveler. Now the Rupabai brought the salt, pepper and balls for everything. Now the traveler then afterwards added some salt and stirred it and served the soup to everyone. Now Rupabai told, wow, it is very wonderful. The taste is also very good because of the fresh vegetables. Now the next neighbor told Sonabai, yes, it is very unbelievable. It is also very good soup with a stone. Everyone was thinking that it was made by the magic stone, but it was not the real thing. The nothing stone was it was the effort of all the neighbors, of including of all the vegetables. Motiram also told, yes, it is very delicious vegetable soup which was made with the magic stone. Hirabai also told the same things, and everyone was thinking where the magic stone has been went. Either it has been melted in the soup only. Traveler have answered, oh no, it remains the same. He told, no, it has not been melted. It will be same in the soup only. So everyone was enjoying with the soup. This was the stone that made the soup. You can make it even without the stone also. So this was the story. I hope so all the points was clear. Thank you.